Hello guys, today we can see how to sort a list of Python dictionaries based on the values inside it. For an example, I am going to create a list called employees, where I am going to add a dictionary. Have some employee details such as name, age, salary. Here name, age, salary are the keys in the dictionary. We reuse this dictionary structure for 3 more employees. Yes, that's it. The list of dictionary is ready. Now we can sort this dictionary. First of all, I am going to sort it based on the employee salary. For that, I am creating a variable called sorted by salary, which will store the sorted list. We need to use the Python sorted function. The sorted function returns a sorted list of the specified iterable object. You can specify ascending or descending order. By default, it's in ascending order. Here, first parameter is the iterable, that is the employees list. The second parameter is key. Key is an optional parameter where we can pass a function to execute to decide the order. By default, it is none. I need to sort the list of dictionaries based on the salary, so I am going to pass a lambda function where I can pass each dictionary from employees list. Then I need to specify that based on which key and dictionary I need to sort. Here it is salary. Here we can print the employees list sorted by salary. Now we can run the program and see the output. Yes, it's sorted in ascending order as we expected. Same way we can sort based on age. Only need to change the key that we specified in the lambda function. Now we can run the program and see the output. Sorted based on age in ascending order. Same way we can sort based on name. Now we can run the program and see the output. Sorted based on name in ascending order. For making it descending order, we have one more parameter in sorted function. That is reversed. It takes a Boolean value true or false. I am going to make it true, which will returns the list in reversed order, that is descending order. Now we can run the program and see the output. Make it false, it will return result in ascending. Now we can run the program and see the output. That's it. Feel free to comment your feedbacks. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Feel free to comment your feedbacks. See you guys in the next video.